If you've tried box breathing and it didn't work, here are the top 3 reasons why. I'll also share with you what you can do to make it work. You were doing shallow breathing instead of deep breathing. You didn't breathe in and out deep enough. When breathing in, you want to fill your lungs with a lot of air. When breathing out, you want to remove all the air out of your lungs. Also, you want to do that for the entire count. Let's say you're doing count of 5. You want to be slowly breathing in for the entire time that you're counting. Same goes to when you're breathing out. You want to stretch that for the entire count of 5. While you were going through the 4 steps, breathe in, hold, breathe out, and hold, your mind wandered around. Most likely, your mind was invaded by whatever thoughts that were giving you stress and anxiety. Instead of allowing that to happen, stay focused on your breathing and counting. When you notice that your mind is wandering, just focus back on your breathing and counting. There's no point telling yourself to stop thinking because it's counterproductive. Instead, just focus on each step. Breathe in for a count of 5, hold for 5, breathe out for 5, hold for 5, and keep repeating until you're calm. The more focused you are on the breathing and counting, the faster you will feel better. You didn't do it long enough for your nervous system to calm down. If you're not seeing positive effects after 5 sets or after a few minutes, then keep going for a few more minutes until you feel better. Your body might need a longer time to recover from the stress and anxiety, so be kind and patient to yourself. Also, you can try extending your count. Instead of counting to 5, try increasing to 6 or 8. That might work better for you. Give box breathing another try because this is a highly effective method. Here's a guided exercise to get you started again. Let me know how it goes.